Today, amazing K-pop dance coming up. Hey, what's up you beautiful people? Back with me again, Rusmixalive. I'm gonna show you K-pop dance. Shit, head fur everywhere. I'm sure you are all familiar with K-pop, alright? They are professional, beautiful guys and girls joined together with beautiful talent, singing, dancing. And now, ordinary people want to do that too. They want to have fun. They want to dance like a pro. You know, K-pop stars have trainings for years. Being a K-pop star is not that easy. I should be a little bit chill. But I'm excited because today is the day. What? Just got a seizure. Oh my god! Is it a thing? Yes, it is a thing. This why is it so fun? Ooh! K-pop random dance where everybody just look at. Everybody just gather up and then they imitate the dance of the K-pop star. Look. Can I replay? Look at the way she want to be on the scene. She's like, I gotta be on the scene. I gotta be. Damn. But number 23. Oh, you know what? She's a bit confused. Look at her expression. She's looking at this girl. She's like, I forgot the move, but I'm just trying to blend in. Let me see the comment. What? The one with the number 23 fur shirt seemed to be so irritating, pushing other people out of the way and even going in first if she didn't know the song. Number 23, I got my eyes on you. Number 23, I got my eyes on you. Number 23, I'm looking at you. But the girl with the stripe though, look at her. That's how you do it. Number 23! Okay, luckily, the girl with the stripe saved the day. She was like, I know the move. I'm gonna stand in front of her and do my shit. Look. She's not even dancing. She's like, oh. What am I doing this? Is she going to come? That move with the thick tie should be banned. That move right there with the thick tie and the crotch coming out, pornographic. Look, what is she doing? She's like, number 23, come on girl, number 23, give the rest a chance, number 23. Ooh, she's rocking it hard. She's like, front, 3 girls at the front. Oh, she left and she came. Look. I'm not even joking, guys. Look, she's doing the girl with the white shirt, she's doing perfectly okay. And then number 23 just came out. Number 23 just came. Wait, number 23 just came out right at the back. Like, I'm gonna slip myself here, so I'm gonna be in front of the camera so the world can see me. Number 23, I respect your confidence. I respect that. I respect the confidence. Why do you laugh, number 23? Why do you laugh when we need you? Did you see? She just go like, oh, this is not for me. Look, like, hey, chill. She's like, she's on the ground and she's doing all that shit. And then somebody said, get the fuck out. Number 23. Press the notification button. Subscribe, like, share, press the notification button. I'm not gonna repeat that twice, okay? Subscribe, share, like, press the notification button. I just repeat that three times. 3 times. Now let's go to Lithuania. Look what they got. Guys, is this even K-pop? I don't know. Alright, let's go to another country. Oh, look at that. Nice. Look at this guy with the yellow one. I think he's a boneless slime. He got no bone. Like a slime, you know? Like, ooh! Ooh! The guy with the yellow shirt here, I'm sure he's boneless. He's boneless. He's a boneless slime. Look at him. I can't even do that. Oh, another boneless slime. This guy right here, the gray shirt and the yellow shirt, they are boneless. Come on. Okay, look. He go back again. He comes out and he do that crotch thing. Let his crotch again. Whoa, and then go back. The crotch move. Go to Vancouver. Right shirt. She know what? She know what's up. This girl know what's up. Nice. Yes. Lick your hand. She's serious. We go to Germany. Whoa, she almost broke her arm, but it's okay. She almost doing this. She almost broke her arm. It's okay. Again. Careful, girl. Careful. I'm just telling you, you got it there. But whoa, she almost tripped. It's okay. No one died. No one died. That's beautiful. You know, an event like this with people just joining, having fun, dancing around. That's what makes a world a better place. K-pop, you save the world. And also, girl number 23. We need more girls like that. She danced. Don't care what other people think. And we should all respect that. I respect you, woman. The comment section. Shout out time. Thank you so much for your comments, guys. Thank you so much for your comments. I love all your comments. I read your comments. It makes me happy. And thank you so much for your comments. And for today, we're gonna choose the shout out based on who give the most interesting comment. Is that fair? I think that's fair. Okay, so shout out goes to Miss Art Garden. Your editing skills are so amazing, and you are a legend at making this crazy video. So many adorable cats, yet so hilarious. Thank you, my lady. So she's talking about my previous video. If you haven't watched my previous video, go watch it. It's an animation about Miley Cyrus riding a cat. Go watch it. Look it up in my channel. Well, go watch it. It's nice. Good. And the next shout out goes to Problem Studio. This should be on Vivo. Right. Thank you so much. You're so kind. And then next shout out go to Illuminacho. Hilarious. Miley is disturbing yet fascinating phenomenon. Rusmixalive. Have you seen as good will bikini explosion trailer? Sounds interesting. Thank you, Illuminacho. Thank you, everyone. So if you want to shout out, write an interesting comment on the comment section. Hey everybody, this is JZ TV channel. JZ, do you have something to say?
You guys should subscribe and hit the like button and turn on notifications and like this video.
Why?
Because he's funny.
Is that it?